In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by opening Clock app that's already on your POCO. Now tap on Allow in the pop-up and click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then this plus one at the bottom right one. Finally, it's time to create perfect alarm for you. To do that, set up an hour at the top. Then, if you want to use this alarm only once, you can enable this option called Delayed After Alarm Goes Off. Use this switcher to switch it on or turn it off. If you want to use this alarm more frequently, you can click on Repeat and apply the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or my favorite, Customize. Here you can pick days of the week manually and save them by going back. Now click on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to switch off or turn on haptic feedback, and hit Ringtone at the top. Now you can either pick one of those melodies, tap on Choose Local Ringtone or pre-installed one. I will go with local, so I have to click here, tap on Allow, and choose Audio Files to find song from my smartphone. Then hit Agree, Allow again, and Allow all. Finally, click on your new ringtone and make sure to tap on Apply right next to it. You can also apply all of those thanks to the same button. Wherever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Click Allow one more time and tap on Label. Now name your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and when you finished, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it on or switch it off, use this switcher right next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To make any changes to it, click on it, tap on Additional Settings in the pop-up and change whatever you want to. Then save the changes thanks to the same checkmark. Last but not least, to get rid of your alarm, just hold it and click on Remove button at the bottom. Last but not least, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings to adjust all of those. Make sure to tap on Additional Alarm Settings to get access to all of them, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!